Yo, what's up, y'all? I'm back. New setup on the truck. 35 mud graps on the stocks. That bitch sitting. I like it. I need to clean the inside though, like really bad. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Oh, look at that. It smell good though. Got the 4.8 still in here, all that. Some random pair of shoes. I gotta get my exhaust done next. Finna get true dudes straight back from the headers for sure, so it'll be loud. But it's sliding right now. I like it. I just wanted to update y'all on that. Show y'all what we got. Drop y'all suggestions, what's next in the comments. Still got a leveling kit I gotta throw on there. Yeah, we'll be good.